Let's renovate this villa in the Springs, but we've already done it. Let me show you around. We installed SBC herringbone flooring throughout the entire villa, creating a seamless and elegant foundation. On the ground floor, starting with the living room, we extended the doorway and added bifold doors to open up the space and invite more natural light in. The kitchen, originally closed off, was transformed into a bright open plan layout featuring a slick quartz countertop, built-in appliances and a new island with a breakfast bar. Moving upstairs, we refreshed all wardrobes and doors with wrapping and new handles, tying the space together with a sleek white palette accentuated by matte black finishes from sockets to lighting. Both bathrooms were entirely redone. In the secondary bathroom, a small bathtub was placed with a walk-in shower, creating a more open and contemporary feel. We closed off the side entrance to create a dedicated laundry room beneath the staircase, complete with a sliding pocket door for a clean and functional finish. The powder room was completely renovated with modern fixtures and finishings, relocating the WC and adding a walk-in shower for added comfort. 2 smaller rooms on the ground floor were combined into a spacious multi-purpose area, ideal as a home office or playroom. Can we furnish, renovate or wrap your property? Fill in the form below for a free estimate.